Hello there. We've been wanting to show you this fabulous little courtyard garden in Teddington, southwest London, for some time. Our senior clients asked us to design a garden that reflected the fantastic contemporary extension they'd recently had built. Now, as you can see, the layout of this garden is defined by these 4 distinct raised beds. Now, the raised beds were put in to help with ease of gardening, as well as to define the actual space itself. Each of the 4 raised beds in this garden have a distinct planting style. Now here we've got more drought-tolerant type planting, and at the centre of it is this fantastic filaria, which forms a wonderful focal point when you first walk into the kitchen diner. Should just mention these fabulous Amelanchier trees, which at this time of year are given this beautiful autumn colour, and in spring they are covered in the most wonderful blossom. At the base of the raised beds, we've planted these small beds here with evergreen ferns. This is just to soften the contemporary lines of the garden. It's the small details in any design which are always really important, especially in a small garden. And here we've used these large corten steel effect pots to create vertical interest within the space. Repetition of certain planting is always a great thing to have in a garden. And here on all the boundaries we've used this fantastic Trachelosburnum or star jasmine, which is evergreen and has wonderful scented flowers throughout the summer. Now here we've got a sunken area, which is the seating area if you like. And we've probably said this to you before, but just taking a level down a bit does help to create even more privacy, which is really important in a small garden. See here the decorative corten steel screen we've got, and that looks spectacular at night when it's backlit. You know, there's nothing better than being surrounded by plants and nature. So, if you'd like us to create the garden of your dreams, why not get in touch via the website or Instagram?